Hello dear students, I welcome you in today's English class where we are going to proceed further in the chapter A Bicycle in Good Repair. We had already started the chapter in video 1, part 1. Now in the second part we are going to start from 128 page ahead. We had seen that the man had opened the wheel of the boy's cycle, though the boy was not willing he should do it for him. He said, "We may as well see what is the matter with it. Now it is out." He talked as though it had dropped out by accident. Though the man had himself taken out his wheel, but he was saying that we will see now, and he was pretending as if the wheel had come out itself by accident. Actually, the cycle was absolutely in functional state. Before I could stop him, he had unscrewed something somewhere, and out rolled all over the path some dozen or so little balls. He could stop. He had unscrewed something somewhere. When he was saying it, suddenly somewhere he had unscrewed something and so many balls came out. And out rolled out over the path some dozen or so little balls. Many dozens, even more than dozens little balls came out. "Catch them," he shouted. "Catch them. We must not lose any of them." He was quite excited about them. Then he started suddenly saying, "Catch those balls. We should not lose them. We should not lose any one of them. Catch them." We growled around for half an hour and found 16. So they tried to find out the balls, the small balls, and they could manage to get only 16. He said he hoped we had got them all. He said that he hoped that every ball they could get, actually it was not so, they could get only 16. Because if not, it would not make a serious difference to the machine. He was quite confirmed if they did not get all balls, still there would not be any problem in the cycle going to come. If not, yes, it would make a serious difference to the machine. I put them for safety in my hat. It was not a sensible thing to do, I admit. He said whatever balls they could get, he was going to keep them in his hat, though the boy said it was not a good idea to do. So this is the part 1 of A Bicycle in Good Repair. Actually, it's an ironical topic. The bicycle was absolutely fit and fine earlier. But when the man had opened the wheel, the problem was started coming to the bicycle. Then we are going to start the second part of this lesson. He then said that while he was about, it would see to the chain for me, and at once began taking off the gear case. I did try to dissuade him from that. I told him what an experienced friend of mine once said to me, "Solmany, seriously, if anything goes wrong with your gear case, sell the machine and buy a new one. It comes cheaper." Now, the man desired to open the gearbox of the cycle, and he said that the boy denied for doing it because once somebody had told him that if your gearbox got some problem, better to sell out your machine because selling would be cheaper than than settling out a wrong gear machine. He said, "People talk like that who understand nothing about machines. Nothing is easier than taking off a gear case." But the man said, "The illiterate people, those who did not know anything about the machine, they must be talking about all these things. Otherwise, correcting the gearbox is so easy. Nothing would be easier than this." I had to confess he was right. In less than 5 minutes, he had the gear case in 2 pieces, lying on the path and was groveling for screws. So I must tell that the man was absolutely right. Within few minutes, the gearbox was opened in his hand. He said it was always a mystery to him the way screws disappeared. And he said the gearbox was in his hand, but he was searching for the screws. And he said every time this thing happened to him, every time the gearbox, he could not understand where the screws disappeared suddenly. Because every time whenever he was opening something, he was unable to collect back his screws. So dear children, today we will do this much only. Thank you.